Welcome to the world of AI, where things move faster than your phone updates. If you're new to ChatGPT, it can feel like hopping onto a speeding train without a ticket. But don't worry, I'm here to slow things down and show you exactly how to use ChatGPT like a pro. By the end of this video, you'll know not just how to ask questions, but how to get the best answers every time. Let's go. Let's start with plans. ChatGPT offers several options depending on your needs. The free plan is great for beginners. You get access to GPT-5, 10 messages per 5 hours, and limited image generation. Think of it as your training wheels. The Plus plan, costing $20 per month, is perfect for regular users. It offers 160 messages per 4 hours, faster thinking, coding features, Sora video generation, and up to 3,000 uses of the advanced model weekly. The Pro and Enterprise plans are designed for businesses or heavy users. They provide unlimited access, advanced analytics, and priority support. Pro tip: don't overpay at the start. Begin with the free plan to explore what you really need. Upgrade only when limits slow you down. Now, account setup. Privacy is key. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings, then Data Controls. Turn off Improve the Model for Everyone if you want your chats private. Use Temporary Chat for sessions that aren't saved, like Incognito mode. Set custom instructions. ChatGPT will ask for a bit of info about you, such as your name, role, occupation, and personality. This helps it respond more naturally. Here's a knowledge insight. The more context ChatGPT has, the smarter and more personalized your answers become. Think of it as giving your AI assistant a small briefing before it starts working. First, pick the right model. For simple questions, use the instant model, and for complex projects, choose the thinking model. Next, use projects to organize topics, upload files, and create project-only memories. Pro tip: projects help you keep ideas organized, especially for long-term work like YouTube scripts or business plans. Talk naturally, since ChatGPT is conversational. Ask as if texting a friend. For example, I have 2 hours to cook dinner tonight. Any simple but impressive ideas? Be specific and give context for better answers. Instead of asking, "Tell me about baking," try list 5 key steps to baking a sourdough loaf at home, beginner-friendly. Specify the output format by using tables, bullet points, JSON, or lists. For instance, say, create a workout plan in a table: day, sets, reps, notes. Give examples to show ChatGPT what good and bad output looks like. It learns your style this way. Iterate by not settling for the first response. Ask it to refine, expand, or simplify. Use branching to explore multiple versions without losing your original ideas. Chunk big tasks by breaking projects into stages. For example, writing a sponsored script can be divided into Stage 1, Brief, Stage 2, Outline, Stage 3, Draft, and Stage 4, Final Polish. Ask for assumptions if needed. ChatGPT can clarify unclear points first. For example, ask, "What assumptions are you making about this task?" Verify facts because AI can hallucinate. Always double-check numbers, dates, and current events. Use Files and Canvas by uploading PDFs to summarize, extract insights, or polish scripts. Canvas allows multi-step editing inside ChatGPT. Use images to analyze, count objects, or describe visuals. Always cross-check for accuracy. Learn shortcuts and tricks with commands like imagine, summarize, and translate, depending on your version to save time. Keep a list of favorite prompts to reuse later. Finally, integrate ChatGPT with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Canva for productivity hacks. For example, generate Excel formulas or design templates in minutes. Here's the secret most beginners don't know. ChatGPT isn't just for Q&A. It can teach, plan, coach, and even create content for you. As a learning partner, you can ask it to explain complex topics step by step, like finance, coding, or health. As a creative assistant, it can write scripts, poems, marketing captions, or even video storyboards. As a productivity booster, it helps you draft emails, reports, or social media posts quickly. For decision support, it can compare options, list pros and cons, or generate lists for any project. Pro tip: think of ChatGPT as a Swiss Army knife, versatile, but only if you know how to use each tool. And that's it. Start free, customize your settings, organize projects, give precise prompts, and iterate often, the host encouraged. ChatGPT can be your ultimate personal coach, creative partner, and productivity assistant, all in one. The host added an extra tip: keep experimenting. The AI learns your style and improves as you refine your instructions. Finally, the host invited viewers to engage. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment your favorite ChatGPT feature below. But before I go, let me walk you through a few real-world applications. Imagine you're planning a trip. Use ChatGPT to create itineraries, find travel hacks, or even translate local languages on the go. Or if you're into cooking, think of ChatGPT as your sous chef. It can suggest recipes based on what you have in your pantry or scale them up for a dinner party, the host said enthusiastically. Stuck on a decision? ChatGPT is great for weighing pros and cons. It's like having a logical friend who's always ready to help you think things through, the host said thoughtfully. There's so much more to explore, from language learning to hobby projects. The key is curiosity, the host added with inspiration. That truly wraps it up, remember? ChatGPT is a tool that grows with you. As your needs and expertise expand, so does what you can achieve. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next episode.